Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, the Just Smell Better channel. Now today, I have a little surprise. I have a little surprise. I just received a package from Joma Shop, and I have a problem with Joma Shop first of all. So I ordered 2 colognes and then I ordered a third one. I think I put them together actually. And I've only gotten one for right now. When I ordered it like 2 weeks ago. They're sending them in different packages, and especially my Grand Soir, which I actually bought, it's $200. And they haven't even shipped it, bro. They don't have it. They sent me an email like, oh, I'm sorry, we don't have your package. Like, bro, why is it on the website if you still need to buy it from somewhere else and then send it to me, right? Like, come on now. Joma Shop, they gotta pick up their shipping game. So I thought, let's just unbox this one. I already opened it low key, but let's just see what we have in here. It is Detour Noir by Haramain. So this is a clone of PDM Layton, which is one of the best, most popular niche fragrances, one of the beginner niche fragrances that everyone loves. So you can't go wrong with it, with the DNA. So let's see what this clone of Layton actually smells like. Now the only reason I bought this one is because I had this annoying guy in the comments, bro. He was like, bro, buy Detour Noir, buy Detour Noir. And then when I didn't buy it, he was like, man, no Detour Noir. So I was like, you know what, for my boy, I'm gonna buy it. And I haven't seen him comment ever since, so fuck you if you left, bro, fuck you. But here we have the box. It was just like a good $29. I don't honestly remember. And the reason I didn't want to get it is because of this ugly ass bottle. Look at this shit, bro. Ugly as hell. I said it on my TikToks. It looks like a butt plug. It looks like a straight up butt plug. What is this curb inside here? Like, it's ugly as hell, bro. This gonna look ugly as hell on my shelf. So let's spray it just right here. 1, 2. The atomizer is really good. It smells like vanilla, apple pie. It's a sexy DNA, bro. It's that same Layton sexy DNA, which I love. If you guys didn't know, Layton is the first ever fragrance that I took with my girlfriend. We met up in downtown. We ate some Chinese food, and I got there first before her because we went on different. We know when you're first meeting up, you don't pick her up. Like, you usually meet up in the restaurant to not like creep her out. You don't want to ask her, what's your address? That's kind of creepy. So we met up in the restaurant, and I got there first because I'm always there on time, bro. She was late. I was standing there in the restaurant. I pull out my little sample of Layton on the low, and then she got there, and I went for the hug, and I'm sure she smelled my cologne, right? I smelled nice. It was in the middle of winter. I'm just yapping at this point. So I do have a few memories with Layton, but now I actually have a full bottle of this DNA, and I already said it, bro. It smells 95% like Layton. When I smell it right here up close, I honestly get a little too much alcohol. Like, it smells pretty cheap when you smell it up close, but when you actually spray it in the air, spray it on your clothes, on yourself, it's basically like unnoticeable that it's not Layton. It smells really fucking similar. I'm sure some random fragrance nerd would be able to tell that this is not the real DNA, but normal people, like just regular people walking outside, they're not gonna know. I don't even know, bro. I just sprayed this right here and then Layton right here, and I would have no idea which one is the real one. When it comes to clones, I don't have a problem at all. Some people just refuse to buy any clones. They feel like it's gonna affect their credibility. Like, who gives a fuck, honestly, as long as I smell good. I usually just don't buy them because their bottles are pretty ugly. Like I said, this one, F9 9 p.m. I've never liked the bottle, but I did smell it in the store, and it was looking pretty nice, even though I don't like Ultra Male, so I might cop that one. Yeah, any other clones, I don't really like them. I'd rather get the real ones just for the bottle. I am a big fan of the bottles, but that's the only reason. Other than that, I don't have a problem buying clone fragrances. I think they add a lot to the market. You get the same smell for a cheaper price. It benefits us customers, it benefits the company, and it negatively affects the niche companies, so I'm sorry, but I don't give a fuck, bro. Lower your prices. Shit. So if you're looking to buy Layton but you're broke as hell, then Detour Noir is a perfect bottle for you. I mean, it's like I said, the bottle looks ugly as hell, but the smell is actually really good. So my final rating for this cologne is gonna be a 9 out of 10. One of my highest ratings ever. but I am taking into consideration the price. You know, it is a cologne and it does an amazing job. The smell is so sexy, and it just loses a point because of the bottle, or else it would have been a 10 out of 10, you know? It's amazing value for your money. Let's just put it that way. It's an amazing value for your money. So to the guy begging for the Detour Noir review, here it is, and I hope you subscribe to the channel because I did it for you. Everyone else, I do recommend Detour Noir. Get it if you want. And that's gonna be it for the video. I'm gonna enjoy my fragrance. Thank you for watching. I didn't waste my money. And yeah, just smell better. Peace out.